Introducing the next generation of FCM reporting. Your favourite corporate travel reporting tool has been reimagined and refueled by market leader Microsoft Power BI. Featuring enhanced data security with Microsoft Information Protection, artificial intelligence and machine learning that enables quicker and more advanced insights. Advanced integrations means you can bring in data from all your necessary sources. Paint a picture of your corporate travel with vibrant, simple and interactive data visuals. FCM reporting gives you the data you need to drive results for your people, the planet and your profit. Use your data to drive more informed decisions, achieve your environment, social and governance goals, and meet your commercial targets. With FCM's advanced artificial intelligence, your travel reporting behaves like your favourite search engine. Query, click, go. Discover new dashboards. Drill down into your data for deeper insights. See how your travel program compares with advanced benchmarking. Monitor your travel wellness and make more sustainable travel decisions. And much more. FCM reporting makes your data work for you, climbing the analytics ascendancy mountain to give you crystal clear analytics, ultimately making your data-driven decision-making more agile, accurate and efficient. FCM reporting fueled by Power BI is available now. Learn more at fcmtravel.com.